You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this molecule. You have patches for it. And clarify the pronunciation in English. Rivastigmine. Stig, and you want to stress on that stig syllable, and then mean, alright? So it's not mine at the end, it's mean. British English and American English agree on this one for once. Rivastigmine for Alzheimer's. Rivastigmine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.